Not everything about getting old is good, is it? Sometimes as we get older, our equilibrium, our balance, they change. And doing something that used to be super easy gets a little bit more challenging. And one of those things can be getting into your bed. If you've got a lower bed, this probably wouldn't be a problem for you. But if your bed is up higher, it might be. And I have a solution here. This is a step stool that's made for beds, but it also has a bar on the side so you can hang on to it. Of course, you can use this step stool anywhere, but it is made to climb onto beds. And the really, really cool thing about this particular one is that it comes with a light that is activated with motion. So if you're getting out of bed at nighttime in complete darkness, this little light's gonna come on and you're gonna be able to see a little bit more clearly. And then you go to the bathroom. When you come back, as you get near it, it's gonna light up again. It won't light up when you turn over in bed at nighttime. It's not supposed to. So it shouldn't, but it definitely will as you climb over to get up. Let me just demonstrate for you how easy this is to use. It's 2 steps, and I'll get you in closer to those in just a second. And that makes it so much easier to get into the bed. You don't have to worry about falling. You don't have to worry about balance. You don't need to worry about pressing down on the bed, and then it can be a hassle to climb into a high bed. But this thing right here makes everything so much easier. And then of course, if you're laying down, turn towards it, grab the handrail, stand up, and then step down while still holding onto the handrail. No falls. You don't have to worry about falling whatsoever. Let me get you in closer so we can look at some of the particular features. Firstly, we have a little pocket here. You can put your remote in here, or really whatever you want. This is also removable, so you can put it anywhere if you prefer to have it hanging from the top, or if you prefer to not have it hanging at all, you can take it off. The motion activated light runs on 4 AAA batteries that it does not come with. Do not forget your AAA batteries or you will not be able to use this. This is a magnet, and this is a little sticky bit. So you put the sticky bit on, then it's a magnet, and then this just goes right on the top. And it's on there, secure, very secure. This is a really nice light, very bright in the dark. We've got 2 steps. This one goes to just above my ankle, and the second step goes about mid-calf. Very easy to step onto this top one. And then again, they're low steps, so you don't feel like you're having to go way easier than trying to step into the bed. And then again, when you step down, this thing feels so incredibly sturdy, you don't feel like you're going to topple over this thing. You can use this to get into cabinets. You can even use this to get into a car if you have a car with a tall bit. It has a nice sturdy leg, and the grippy bits are quite large, so it fits a large surface. This is textured plastic. However, the frame itself is metal. The top of this is a nice padded material, soft and comfortable to the touch. And one more feature you should be aware of, because everyone, of course, is different size. If you have longer arms and not hobbit arms like me, this is made in such a way that it can easily be altered. This little bit right here is what makes it adjustable. It's a C-clamp. This is all it is. You put it right back in. So easy to take these in and out. The only catch with these is that you've got to line the holes up perfectly. This would take absolutely no struggle whatsoever. This handle can be moved to this other side. You don't have to have it on the left-hand side. This is where I wanted mine. But if you want to hold on to it with your right hand, or if you find it, you're on the other side of the bed and you find it easier to have it on that side, you can put the pole in right there, no problem. As far as putting this whole thing together, it took me about 30 minutes. I'm not the best at putting things together. The instructions were horrible, literally unreadable. And I don't mean that in such a way as that you couldn't read them because it was confusing. I mean, blurry. The font was unreadable. But there were good pictures, and I was able to use the pictures to figure it out with the tiny bit of instructions that I could discern. Someone faster and better at putting things together could probably get this done in 15 minutes, but for me, it took me the whole 30. I will say that if you have any kind of dexterity issues, any kind of hand weakness, you are not going to be able to assemble this yourself because you need an Allen wrench. They're teeny tiny, and the screws. The thing that bothered me the most is taking the screws in and out. My fingers hurt. There was a lot of turning. So if that's a problem for you, you might want to invite a friend over to help you build it. But if assembly is not a problem, you don't have any dexterity or arthritis issues, you could probably have this done in 15 or 20 minutes. Isn't the light great? Because it was very straightforward and very easy. I just want to reiterate that with the little C bars, if you want to adjust this, could not be easier. It might feel like it's not working out great, but if you just make sure you're lining up the holes perfectly, boom, goes right in. Could not be easier. That's the easiest part to me. And once you get this set up, it's pretty heavy, so you're not going to be wanting to move it around everywhere if you're not super strong. So if this is something you might want for your car, but you also want it for your bed, it might be worth it to get 2 of them, because I can see wanting to have it, but not wanting to carry it outside every time you need to get into the car. Super handy to have 2. I can lift it. It's not so heavy that I can't lift it, and I could carry it downstairs, but because it's bulky, it's, you know, it's not the kind of thing I'm going to want to carry around, and just holding it up, I would be getting tired. But if you're just leaving it beside your bed all the time, assemble it in your room, and then you'll have it right here. I think this is going to be really helpful. If you're looking for other products for seniors to make your life easier as things get a little harder, I'll have an entire playlist for you right there. You can see what other products I've tried. And if you're interested in getting this, as always, I'll have it linked for you below. You can hop right on over and get this exact model from the link that I put it in. I'll see you real soon. Let me know what products you found to make your life easier as you've gotten older. I'll see you real soon. Good night, light. Before I can even step on it, the light comes on. And then in about 20 seconds, it goes off.